Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Town and Country minivan, and I will show you which fuses to check in case your power or heated mirrors are not working. This video will apply to Town and Country minivans made from 2008 all the way up to 2016. All the fuses will be located in the main fuse box under the front hood, just next to the vehicle battery. To lift the cover, you'll have two clips, one here, one here. You want to press them in to unlock it and then lift the cover straight up. On the back side of the cover, you will have a fuse diagram as well. First fuse to check for heated mirrors is fuse number M35, which is a 10 amp red fuse located right here. So these are your heated mirrors. The next fuse to check will be the fuse for the power mirrors. It's gonna be fuse number M26, which is a 10 amp red fuse right here. If your minivan is equipped with power folding mirrors, you want to check fuse number M30, which will be a 15 amp blue fuse located here. So these are the three fuses you want to check for the power and heated mirrors. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing and joining my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.